We guide you through how to factory reset a Samsung phone without a password using hardware buttons. First thing you need to do is power off your Samsung phone completely. Next, press and hold the volume up and power buttons at the same time. And for some models, also hold the Bixby Buy button until Samsung logo appears and recovery menu loads. Once you see the Android recovery screen, use the volume buttons to navigate and highlight wipe data and factory reset, then press the power button to confirm. Select factory data reset and confirm again. When the reset process is complete, choose Reboot System Now. Keep in mind that this will erase all data on device, and after setup, you may still need to sign in with a previously synced Google account due to factory reset protection. This is the safest way to reset a Samsung phone when you can't access the password.